Welcome to the QuickShipper installation guide. Let's walk through the steps to set up our app on your Shopify store. First, click on the Install button in the Shopify App Store. You'll be redirected to your Shopify admin panel, where a small window will pop up. Click Install again to start the installation. Next, enter your store details in the fields provided. QuickShipper will automatically create an admin account for you using the email you enter. After verifying that your information is correct, click Continue. In the next step, you will be asked how you prefer to deliver your orders to your customers. If you want to dispatch your orders using your own fleet of drivers, select the first option and click Continue. Next, you will be asked to download the mobile driver app. Scan the QR code provided to download the Courier app. Enter the credentials, log into the account, click the Continue button to move to the next step. Now, QuickShipper will guide you to place a test order. This will help you see how the process works. Click on Create Test Order. Congratulations! Your QuickShipper account is now activated, and the app has been added to the left sidebar of your Shopify admin panel. Since the order hasn't been assigned to a driver yet, click on Assign Courier to dispatch it. A pop-up will appear for dispatching the order. Under the Fleet of Own Drivers tab, the Courier account generated in the previous step will be displayed. Choose the Courier account and click Submit. Once you've dispatched the order to your Courier account, you will receive a notification in the app as well. Here, you will see all the relevant information for delivering the order and will be able to update its statuses, ranging from pickup to delivered. Anytime the courier updates the order status, you'll see the synced status in your Shopify admin panel and in the unique tracking link provided for your buyers. And that's how you install and activate the QuickShipper Delivery Manager for your Shopify store. If you need to register additional courier accounts under your brand, please let us know and we will help.